guys, Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I'm going to be making some Grinches for the Christmas season. So I've got my stick. You can just buy this at the dollar store, wherever you like. Nice and cheap little stick. And then I'm going to put my green grape on it lengthwise. And then add a Christmas toque to him. So my banana, sliced it. And then my strawberry for his little hat, and another banana piece on top for his little puff of the toque. So there's my Grinch. A green grape and a banana, strawberry, and a little piece of banana on top. Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye.